Hey guys, so in this tutorial of Microsoft PowerPoint, we are going to see that how can you delete a large number of animations in a slide. So you can see that if I preview this slide, any number of animations I have added, and if I want to remove these animations, how can I do that? Let's see. So number of animations which I have added, and if I want to remove it, I need to select one by one and I need to delete that one. Okay, but if you click on this animation pane, you will see that you will get this animation pane which has all this number 18 numbers over here. So one thing is that you go one by one and delete it, go one by one, delete it. So it will take a it will take a so much amount of time. The another way is that you can select this, you can hold control key and you can select this over here. That is also takes a large amount of time, but the easiest way to do this is it's called down here on the animation pane, and like you can see this click to hide contents, click on this, and now just select on this top one, like this one, because it has all this. So it has selected all this 17 animation, and now you can just click delete. So in this way you can delete a large number of animations from a PowerPoint slide. So I hope this trick will be helpful to you, and if you like this, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Thank you.